Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Team Selvo, PBL TRPL-602. Today we're gonna present our end semester final report, Project Wening. Here we're building Selvo. Selvo is an e-commerce public digital. You can scan the live of our website here on the barcode. Okay.
Okay, in this slide, Selvo addresses a real problem. Many Indonesian digital creators struggle to monetize their work because local platforms are limited and global marketplace are highly competitive. So Selvo solve is providing a digital product marketplace built specifically for the Indonesian market. And Selvo hosts on 2 CPUs and 2 GB RAM VPS drop sumo phone with the domain VNet via Dominasia. And the next slide is who is using our application. Since going live, Selvo has a real user on both sides, seller and buyer. Seller mostly started and have started listing and selling their product, and while buyer have make actual processes. And our current metrics show 30 seller and 6 successful transactions and active product submission backed by positive review from real users.
This is a Starfloy architecture in production where we use the client side using Next.js application that will be function as a client side. And for the backend side, we use Express.js from Node.js, and then the database using SQL, and we store the product sellers in ordinary as an image. For the payment gateway, we use payment queue, and for SFTP, we use Google. Okay.
Okay, here are our emerging technologies. So during building Selvo until it's live in production, we're using Next.js and Prisma for the object relation management, and for the backend we're using Express.js, and for the payment gateway we're using Payment Pool because it's easy to integrate to our platform, and then for the database we're using MySQL. So you can see at the right side, there is the performance metrics from our website. Okay, this is my research foundation and validation, where the title is Design and Implementation of a Secure Digital Product Distribution System based on REST API using the JSON Web Token or GWT and red emitting mechanism on Selvo comes for digital product. And for the research question, it's already answered where the REST API for the digital product distribution can be implemented using JSON Web Token and sliding window for the red emitting, and JSON Web Token is secure digital product access by allowing only users with valid tokens. Sliding window rate limiting effectively prevents abuse for the digital link product download. And the combination of both JSON token and rate limiting improves digital product distribution in our platform.
Okay, my research focus on implementing the seller advertising feature on Selvo using goal-directed design and combined with extended heuristic evaluation. I applied research and development methodology, starting with a competitor analysis of four platforms like Gumroad and Photo, Etsy, and Link ID, a survey of 28 representative users with proxy users, and interview with Selvo founder to build a user what the user need, and the feature was the implemented using Next.js, Express.js, and PostgreSQL, and evaluate using an extended heuristic evaluation covering both interface quality from a Nielsen 10 heuristic and technical quality, including functionality, API reliability, and data integrity. And this research answer to key question how the seller advertising feature can be a comprehensive design with R&D and goal-directed design framework, and what quality level the resulting interface and technical implementation achieved based on extended heuristic evaluation.
My research focus is to make a simple linear regression model that we can predict the estimated transaction or purchases from the given input and number of clicks or advertising in Selvo. Where this research purposes is to help sellers in Selvo to give them a confidence information that if they want to make an advertising in Selvo, and if my research has implemented in Selvo as features. So the research questions is answered and the model already tested with the R-squared model.
This is my research. I applied the user-centered design method to optimize the information architecture of Selvo digital asset e-commerce platform. So my study is optimize the information architecture of Selvo, a generalist digital asset e-commerce platform causing cognitive overload. So I use UCD with card sorting, tree testing, and the system usability scale or SUS. So where the research question is answered, so the baseline usability test is reveal pain points such as overwhelming category breadth, inconsistent product metadata, a cognitively demanding checkout flow, and a lack of clear niche focus. The hybrid card sorting session will user-centered taxonomy, likely clustering items and intuitive categories like UI kits, mockups, font illustration, and icons. For the research question 3 and 4 will be answered after post-test and final analysis are complete.
Okay, this is our business model canvas where in the Selvo we got revenue from the transaction fees, which is the fees is 3% from the price of the products, and we can get revenue from ads selling, where we charge the sellers to like 100 clicks for 100 rupiah. And then current metrics on our platform, we have already 330 registered users, where early transaction has been secured like for more than 10 transactions in Selvo. Okay.
Okay, this slide shows our marketing and user acquisition. We use Instagram and word of mouth to reach student and user reel, and we got 300 for 3,489 views and 204 interactions on Instagram. From this, 30 people is registered and 7 complete a transaction. In the future, we will keep growing by working with student communities, content creator, and using referral program and social media.
So what broke in production and how we fix? So Selvo has already addressing critical bugs, technical debt, and security consideration. So the first is webhook security. So the webhook in payment code doesn't have a signature to validate with. If someone has known the webhook API from Selvo, they can succeed their own transaction. So how we fix it? A payment code has updated the API, especially in webhook. So implement signature double secure by HMIC 256 to ensure signature integrity. The second is front-end layout. So UI UX in front-end design in the beginning for desktop or auto viewport problem occur when we try mobile viewport, especially in dashboard seller. So how we fix it? Implement responsive web design with mobile first approach using Tailwind. The third is product fault counter. When transaction of product is succeed, counter of product fault in database one increment. How we fix it? We recheck the business logic and solve it. And fourth is technical debt. Major technical debt issues identified during development have been resolved and stabilized during the production development process. Security consideration, user password are protected using hashing encryption, GWT authentication, and HTTPS secure communication. And mid-semester plan versus final outcome. The development target plan during the mid-semester phase were successfully implemented by the end of semester, where the core MVP features and production ready system of Selvo were complete according to the project goals. Team performance and this is our team performance. Tyas as CEO, Rahel as CMO, Bayu as CTO, and I myself is COO. The bottleneck is communication and progress synchronization. Different schedules among team members cause delay in several development tasks. Lesson learned is regular communication and progress tracking help improve team coordination and workflow efficiency. The bottleneck is team decision making. The team sometimes need a long time to decide on the best design, features, or application flow. So faster and more focused decision making is important to maintain development progress. So what we learn and what's next. So lesson learned is building a startup is more than coding. We learned that understanding user, validating ideas, and teamwork are just important as technical development. So what is our project future roadmap? For Mon 1 is improve UI UX based on user experience, optimize SEO and website discoverability, improve application performance. Mon 3 is develop advanced security and account protection, develop recommendation and search optimization system. For Mon 6 or scale up, launch marketing campaigns and community collaboration, expand active user and creator base, and improve scalability. For the next month, after Mon 6 is expand to wider Indonesian digital creator market, develop monetization and partnership program, and potential expansion to ASEAN digital creator ecosystem.
Okay, so in conclusion, so far successfully been developed into a live and production-ready digital product marketplace. So through this project, we gained valuable experiences not only in software development but also in research, business validation, deployment, and also the most important one is teamwork. So thank you for your attention. We will be happy as you watch our video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.